Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to be opening these little pea pod babies. They are super cute. Let me move this one out of the way. So in the pod you have three separate little balls in there that one has the baby in it, the next one has the baby clothing and the accessories. And you can collect all of these and all the accessories. You can even connect the pea pods to your backpack or other pea pods. Just so cute. Okay, let's get started. Let's open this. Okay, and for the first one, we are going to open. Let's see. Super easy. We have a little God here. Oh, you have a little birth certificate for the baby. That is so cute. Okay. And it looks like that this is going to be our accessories. We have a little hat, a little rattle. That's so cute. These are so soft. Super soft. I'm excited. And our next pod here. Let's see what we have. They're super fun. Look at this. So I have two of these that we're going to open today. And on this one, it shows that you can collect them all. It's a little collector's guide for all of your little babies. Put this up here. Collect them all. It has their names. They're so cute. And the accessories. I love that. So cute. So what do we have? Super cute. We have all these little accessories here. It's like we have the little booties. We have the little clip. Looks like maybe a pacifier, a bottle, and a rattle. Those are so cute. And then we should have our baby in our next pod. Let's find out what baby we got. They're so cute. They're super easy to open. They're so fun. Oh my goodness, look how cute. It has a little bib. Please read, squeeze baby's head to fully form. Discard this information after reading. So I guess you just squeeze its head where it was smushed in there. Fix its legs. Oh, she's so cute. And we have a little, let's see what this is. Tells us what baby we got. Baby June. This little pea has an ear for music. When she plays with her rattle, you can almost hear a rhythm behind her shaking. She loves eating banana yogurt and playing in the sprinklers outside. So those are so cute. Have her hat on. Look how cute these are. So many different little toys. Those are so cute. So we got all of these little toys and accessories in the Baby June just out of one of the pea pods. And you can keep this and put the accessories back, put them back in here, connect these together. You can connect these pods together and you can clip them like right to your backpack or anything else. Super cute. Let's see what else we have in here. We have another one to open. Let me cut that real quick. Okay. And our first one, I'm going to scoot this out of the way. Let's see. Looks like we got another little hat. We have a little toy in that one. It's just another god showing, or a little birth certificate for this one probably. Yeah, another little birth certificate. In our next pod, we have probably the accessories. I think it's clothes, accessories, and then the baby. Yes. So we have a little shirt and the pin, a bottle, and the god, and another little booty. We have little booties for them. Put their little shoes on. This is so cute. A little like onesie. How cute that is. Okay. Let's see what baby we have this time. So guys, we definitely want to keep the pods. You can always put those back in there and take them on the go. Show them off. They're super cute. And as usual, just make sure that you squeeze the head so that it fully forms, or those babies have been smushed in that little pod. How cute. These little pigtails. Let's see what baby we got. We got Sandy. We got Sandy this time. Yay! Bring her face back to life. She's been smushed in there. This little girl loves to be by the water, whether it's in the lake, the pool, or the beach. Sandy loves to look out and admire the water's sparkling beauty. She loves to swim and eat her applesauces in the sun. So those are all the pods and all the accessories and toys that we got with those. You can definitely put all those back and put them right back in the pea pods. Super cute. Don't forget to like and subscribe.